how to remove gamma watermark. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to remove gamma watermarks. Alright, so let's begin. So, first open your preferred browser and search for gamma.ai. Then sign into your account and you'll be redirected to the home page where you can see your recent projects. After that, simply open the project you want to export without the watermark. If you need to make edits, go ahead. Then click on the three dots icon in the top right corner to open a drop-down menu and select the export option. Next, a pop-up will appear. Scroll down to find the option to toggle off the watermark. By default, it's turned on, so you'll need to toggle it off. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a paid plan for your Gamma AI account, either monthly or annual. Once payment is complete, you can turn off the watermark. Then just download your project file without the Gamma watermark. So that's basically how you can remove Gamma watermark. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.